Oma Faraway here. I'm just doing something different today. I actually mentioned last time that I was working on a project. I'm not sure how it's going to pan out, but I thought, well, I'll explain it. And maybe by explaining it to you, I'll get a better picture for myself. It's quite a thing, and I'm just wondering whether I've set the bar a bit high. But here goes. What I'm actually thinking of doing is exploring the country of my birth and sharing some of the things that I know about the place and need to know about the place and want to share about the place. Because you see, the Netherlands, most people call it Holland, but the Netherlands is quite big really for a little country. Sounds funny, eh? It's 42,508 square kilometres. We have 17.2 million people living here, and that's quite a few per square kilometre. I'm into kilometres. If you want to convert to miles, that's fine, but that's what it is. So I've been in the Netherlands for almost half my life, but the other half I spent in New Zealand, and that's quite a different size and living conditions and lifestyle, etc. But you know, it's beautiful here too, and I just want to show you just how beautiful. So over the next couple of months, I'm actually hoping to gather more information, but also every time that my husband and I travel anywhere, I just want to try and make some videos and take some photos and collect them and then put a series of videos online. My vision and seeing the Netherlands, discovering the Netherlands through my eyes. Because you see, I'm hoping that as the years go on and my grandchildren get older, that they'll actually find out more about the country of their heritage, the country of their Oma. And in doing that, well, some of you can come along for the ride and have a look too. So that's my plan. Now, as you can see, there's quite a few colours on the sheet, and this is the shape of the Netherlands. I've printed out. We have 12 provinces, and every province has a capital, and every area has its own identity. And you can often tell where someone comes from by their dialect, their way of speaking. So we can identify people who come from the north and the south and the east and the west. And so I thought it'd be quite interesting to kind of talk about that and discover more about it. So that's my plan. Now, I will be in New Zealand for 2 months as well. So, it's going to be a very interesting year, and I'm wondering what sort of videos I'm going to be able to post for you. It's also imperative, of course, that I make a plan. So recently I bought this book. In it, I use the tabs, and I'm going to a course to learn more about the computer so that I can kind of do my bits better. And then, of course, I've got this second pad where I've already headed this. So this is all about the 12 provinces. And I'm doing my homework because, you know, I have to re-familiarise myself with a lot of this sort of stuff too. But I have a second passion. So I've just got a few friends coming over for lunch tomorrow. So I'm making a tomato and paprika soup. And that's cooking. And in this pad, I have all these menus that I've dished up to various friends and family that have actually come for dinner. The pad's not full. And I just keep it sort of as reference to what I've given them at some stage. So I'm actually also hoping to do a few recipe videos. So I'm going to be very busy. It's just as well I don't have to work anymore, because it really is going to be like a full-time job. don't expect me to place a video 3 times a week or anything, or because I mean, you know, I have to gather the material first and then I have to learn how to edit properly and all the bits and pieces. But this is kind of like the genre for my video. This is the theme of who I am. I'm Oma Faraway, and I want to help inform my family and friends about where I live and what I do, and hopefully give them an insight into life here, and that it's not all too small, too crowded, and not much fun. But I do, of course, have the more serious side, the sad bit, because, you know, I can show as many videos as I like and inform my grandchildren and my children as much as I like, but they're not round the corner. They're far away. And I try and keep a balance about how I think about that. But this is home. But, you know, I love New Zealand. I'm a Dutch-Kiwi. Anytime there's anything in the news about, I follow the rugby and all that sort of thing, and it's my second home. It really is, and I'm looking forward to being there again shortly. But I still return to my Dutch roots. So, all you faithful followers of Oma Faraway's videos, thank you for that. And your wise words and your comments and your thumbs up. Yeah, that's that wonky, that's that one. Don't pay any attention to that hand. It'll come right eventually. But yeah, I'm grateful that you're there, and I enjoy sharing with you, and I hope to be doing it for quite some time. And I really do look forward to sharing my country with you as best as I can. So, after all those revelations, this is Oma Faraway signing off. Okay, enjoy your day, love what you do, and smile to everyone, no matter how bad you're feeling, because I'm sure you'll feel a lot better once you do.